Hello, my name is Alex. I moved to Indonesia from Russia more than 10 years ago. Here in West Kalimantan, I built by myself vanilla beans drying facility and producing by myself dry vanilla beans like this. All operations I perform by myself and with help of my family. I'm looking for customers who is looking for high quality vanilla beans with reasonable price that both we can provide. My scale of business is not big yet, I hope, and I cannot say I'm wholesaler, but I can be your direct supplier of vanilla beans for your business needs or hobby. Also, I offering scheme where you will be as let's say retail agent. In this scheme, I will send vanilla in the bulk. For example, how many kilos you can consume or you can sell during the, let's say, 1 month. I will sell the beans you receive, you maybe repack and sell it under your own name, under your own label, and later, within a month, you pay for the beans. I think this kind of cooperation will be comfortable for you and for me too, and might generate some extra money for you with minimum efforts. And also it will be very good for me because of course I'm trying to grow my business, make it bigger, and of course I need more customers. So if you are interested in this proposal, contact me by WhatsApp, email, or other means. All contact information you can find on my website. So welcome.